Oh my goodness, guys. So today I'll be unboxing a rare Birkin bag. So this is something super special for me, but I've got something super rare for you too. Hello my Bam Bam, welcome to a super exciting video. You already know from the title what it is, but I'm always going to play the guessing game. You know the drill, I always get you guys to guess, but I am so rapt to have gotten this for you. This is something rare. There is a theme to this video. They're both rare pieces. So I'm gonna go through this at the end of the video, but this is the final part, so part 4 of my 250K celebrations. As you guys know, I've already done 3 giveaways and this is the final part. And boy, is there a story to this, because it took so long to find, but I'm so glad I found it for you. So yes, I will go through that after I unbox this rare beauty for you. So I'm just gonna really get straight into it. But before I do, I want you guys to pause the video. You guys know we always do this, and you've got to comment what you think it is. So color, size, hardware. So you can go ahead and do that now. So you've already commented, and make sure to re-comment if you guessed it right. So you can tell from the size of this box, I don't know if you can tell, it is something bigger. So I'm gonna unbox it now and then I'll go through the whole story because you probably just wanna see what it is. So let's do it. And in this box, let me move it out of the picture. It is a big box. Just push it out. I think that should be out of the frame now. All right. So in this big dust bag, you guys are going to be shocked. I don't even know if anyone would have guessed right, but oh my goodness, it is. So guys, let me present to you this limited edition. It is really rare, a collectible for many. Birkin 35 Cellier. So Cellier means, remember, stitching on the outside. It is called the Sunset Birkin. There's actually 2 kinds. There's the sunrise with hues that's supposed to, you know, represent the start of the day. And this is called the sunset. And as you can see, you can tell with the graduation that the colors kind of represent the sunset. So, okay. So let me tell you the story about this now. You know, before I do that, let me just take the little felt off. Okay, so here is my new baby. What do you guys think? I know it's not for everyone, but for me, it is such a special bag. So this bag, let me tell you the story now. I actually did get a few months ago. But as I said, I wanted to wait. I was supposed to unbox this sooner because I wanted to do this when I got the prize for you guys, because when I unboxed that, you'll understand why, but it kind of got delayed because your present took so long to come, so many hiccups. So anyway, I got this from my local Melbourne boutique. And actually the story was that I actually saw the sunrise first. It was on, you know, display, not for sale or anything, but you know, I tried it on. I'll put a picture of me trying on here. And I thought I really like it. Yes, it is a big bag, but you know what? On my wish list, I did want a Birkin 35, but the Cellier is a little bit different, as I said. Usually Birkins are retourné, so they're a bit more relaxed. And the Cellier is something new, something that they introduced in 2020 in the size 35. So it does look more structured, and therefore if you compare this to a 35 Retorn, the Cellier will always look bigger. Like my whole thing when I showed you guys about the Kelly, you know, when I did my Kelly 25 and 28 comparison. If you haven't seen that, do watch it above. It will tell you everything you need to know about the Kelly. But anyway, so I ended up, see, I'm getting all jumbled up now because it was a few months ago. Okay, so yeah, so I saw the Sunset and, you know, it wasn't for sale and I really liked it. But for me, I just prefer this color palette. I think it may be a bit more easier to match. So I said to my essay, look, if you get the Sunset in, can you just let me know? And then not even a couple of weeks later, I got a call saying, oh, Mel, you need to come pick up your stuff. And I was just thinking it was Rodeos or something. But anyway, I went to store and then this kind of happened. And I was like, oh my goodness. And it's, you know, I was not prepared for it. And this baby is expensive. So I was like, oh, you know, can I think about it? And it was like, are you sure, Mel? This is like really rare. Because you know how last year with COVID, production was really slowed down. So a lot of boutiques that ordered this Rainbow Birkin, they didn't end up getting it. I'm not even sure why our boutique did. We, you know, in Melbourne, we don't even get that much stuff, but we got this. So yes, I was like, I did think about it. And then I came back the next day with hubby and hubby was like, you need to get it. It is big, but it's so special because not only is it limited edition, but just the way, you know, how they stitch this and everything, you know, it represents a rainbow. So let me tell you the colors. This is in Epsom leather, and that just suits the Cellier to a T. Rouge Cassac, my favorite red. Magnolia, you guys know I love Magnolia. I have a 25 in Magnolia. I'm gonna grab it. This is Bleu Agate and this is Apricot. I just love the colorway. And on the back, it is exactly the same. And check this out. So inside, yes, I'll just pull all that out. Let me show you the clochette. Inside, it's all in chev leather. If you look on the inside, it's in Bleu Agate. Even the clochette, and I'll show a close-up, is in rainbow. So there's Rouge Cassac, and then there's Magnolia, and then there's the Bleu Agate. Is there apricot in here? No apricot, but still, look at this. It looks beautiful. It is just such a special piece. I really love it, guys. I mean, I was not expecting this at all, and I will share the price. So this in Australian dollars, all my receipts are everywhere, but of course I remember the price because this is my most expensive bag ever. It was around 24,000 Australian dollars. Ooh, I know, expensive, but you know what? Because this bag is such a collectible and so rare, that's not the reason why I just bought it, by the way. It already has, I've already seen on the resale market sell for more than double. I even saw one on Farfetch at 87,000 Australian dollars. I was like, whoa. But look, 2 to 3 times the price already. And it is just such a unique bag, in my opinion. And I just really appreciate the craftsmanship. You know, it's not easy stitching and paneling all this together. You know, if you look at this, it's actually not a straight line, it's slightly curved. Can you see that? Hence it's, you know, called the Rainbow Birkin. So did anyone guess right? I'll have to read the comments. That is my new baby. Now, again, you guys name my bags, need a name. For him, her, don't know. Comment below your suggestions. Okay, so I went to grab a couple of my Birkins just to show you. So I did bring down my Magnolia Birkin 25 and of course Miss Mally in the Birkin 30, just as a really quick size comparison. So 25, 30, 35. So this is not going to be a video where I'm going to compare the sizes and everything, but the Birkin 35 is quite a lot bigger than the 30, but this one will appear even more so because it's the Cellier. See how these two, the construction is Retorn, there's piping, there's no stitching. So Celliers always look bigger than the Retorn. So if this was a Retorn 35, Birkin 35, it would not look this big. And also, before I forget to mention, yes guys, my 7RP code, 7 Rue Parity code is still working. For those of you that are not familiar with 7 Rue Parity, they make the best best inserts. So if you look in here, I have got my Bleu Electrique insert, and they are the best of the best. So let me show you. I got Bleu Electrique for Miss Mally, and Miss Poppy, I have the orange. So these are just the best inserts for your bags, because you guys know Hermes does not spar the inside of your bag. If you're spending so much money, you need to protect the inside. So anyway, the code is just MIM40 for 40 euros off one insert, or MIM85 for 85 euros off two inserts. And they make inserts for Birkins, for Kelly's, Picotin, Evelyne's, even Dior Book Tote as well. And I'm so happy that they've introduced an insert for the Birkin Cellier. So I don't have mine yet. If you guys didn't know, all these inserts are made to order on the French Riviera. You guys know, for those who've been following me for ages, that I've visited the atelier. And, you know, if you haven't seen that, I'll link it above. But you'll understand why these inserts definitely are pricier, but it takes them so long to make each insert. So anyway, you guys know how much I love the inserts. I'm not going to rave on about that, but I will be definitely getting one for this bag. Even though it is a cellier and it's structured, I just want to make sure I protect the inside. Not to mention, it helps with organization too. Now let's get onto the second rare unboxing in here. And this is for you. I'm going to open it up to show you. And wow, this, no joke, this took me 2 months to get. And you're thinking, what is it, Mel? Let me show you. So I'll have to open it up, but don't worry, I'll box it back up for the winner. And in here, I got, for one of you, dun, dun, dun. Oh, I can't get it out now. Ta-da! So this is the Louis Vuitton pocket organizer in the watercolor. You guys know how much I love watercolor. When this came out like 3 months ago, you guys saw my whole vlog. If you haven't seen that vlog and you just want to, you know, take a look, I'll link it above as well. I completely fell in love with this collection. And this collection sold out so quickly. Especially this piece. This piece was like the hardest to get. So, you know, I have one as well. This is mine. This is yours. And it is just such a gorgeous piece. Inside here, it's all in blue. That is what the back looks like. Guys, this is just stunning. It's beautiful. I'm obsessed with this. I wish they made more in this watercolor range. I know in the US, from all my US friends were saying this sold out so quick. Wow, on the resale market, it is selling for, I think I was seeing maybe 800, 1,000 USD for this piece. I actually did pay a little bit over retail because I actually got a friend to get it from Asia, which they cancelled his order, then got his order, then cancelled his order, and then it took forever and ever. That's why it took over 2 months to get this piece. But I'm so glad I got it for you. And it kind of ties in with this theme, you know, rainbow multicolor, rainbow multicolor. So I had this plan, but I thought I was going to get this a month and a half ago because I really wanted to unbox this, you know, because I wanted to wait to celebrate my 250K and coincidentally also celebrate my 5 years on YouTube. So that just passed, but it's still so exciting. I'm just prolonging the celebrations, right? Okay, let me tell you the giveaway instructions. So one of you can either pick this gorgeous limited edition pocket organizer in the watercolor or $750 Australian PayPal cash, because that's what I had to pay for this, because I had to pay a bit extra with shipping and conversion. Anyway, so it's this or the cash.
Okay, to enter, it's super simple. 1, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. 2, give this video a big thumbs up.
And then thirdly, just comment below. Do you prefer the LV card holder or the cash? And don't forget to leave your email or your Instagram handle so it's easier for me to contact you if you win. And if you guys have Instagram, there's bonus entries. So all you need to do is
Go over to the post where I'll be unboxing this, and 1, make sure you follow my Instagram account. 2, like the post and tag a friend. You can tag up to 6. And 3, share the post on your IG stories and tag me.
And that is it. So the giveaway, of course, is open internationally and it will run for 3 weeks. So how good is that? So I'm so excited to be able to give this to you guys. So make sure you do enter. So that is it for my quick unboxing, showing you my beautiful new Rainbow Beauty. And I'm just so happy to be able to give back to you. You guys know how much I love it. So one of you gets to win this too. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I will catch you really soon in my next one. Bye guys.